family gets adjusted. She's the only one that goes temporarily insane and waits last minute until her body's giving her a ton of check engine lights. So I said, you know what, as payback, I'm putting her on camera on Motivational Monday because you're gonna watch her before and an after as it happens at 6:35 tonight. So what's going on?
So I've been having a lot of neck pain and I can feel that something's out.
Okay, fair enough. 1 to 10, 10 the most, 1 the least. Where are you at right now?
8.
And 8, not fun. All right, so here we go. What are you learning from this?
Schedule chiropractic time.
Yeah, it needs to be lifestyle, right? So she's telling me she's got neck pain, but I'll tell you right now as I get in there and motion that spine.
Oh!
You feel that in there? Yeah. What number is that?
That's about a 9.
That goes to a 9. All right, so the spine's one unit, whether it's neck or whether it's low back. Inflammation's inflammation. The nervous system knows it. You can't override the brain. You can't trick the brain. She's got a pool of swelling right down here in her low back. And when I go and press on her, she feels it. All right, look to the right. Good. Whew. Yep. Look to the left. When you can, take your time. I got you. There's no magic bullets. Wow. Yep. We take the pressure off, remove the irritation, we restore the proper information. Everybody but you gets adjusted.
Yeah.
Why don't you ever make time for this? Why do I continuously see you in this predicament? Ooh. Other side? Why? Tell me honestly. Forget the camera. Why do you do that?
Because I'm developing myself in other things right now.
How can you develop yourself when you're not functioning your best? On your back.
Well, that's what I'm looking at
Right.
now, is my health. At a high performance pace, you can't neglect your health.
You can't. You're 100% right. I'm glad your body at least tell you that. I'm serious. Hold your breath. Look to your left. You got the world's greatest chiropractic care
I know.
right in your backyard. And you rarely get adjusted. You slide down towards your feet. All right, so when someone has neck pain, right, and it's very inflamed, those nerves are inflamed, we've already cleared out and removed the pressure and irritation to restore the information, but I'm gonna check her shoulders. The reason we're gonna go through that is because we wanna make sure there's nothing shutting down the nerves that are branching out and running through that area. So we wanna clear the whole central nervous system out as well as the arms. Wow.
Whoa. I've been
The pride.
Stumbled upon greatness.
Yeah, 100%. What?
Stumbled upon greatness.
Let me get that.
Stumbled upon greatness.
Stumbled upon greatness. Even Andre knows. Why? Because he gets adjusted every week. That's why. And when I say arms, guys, I really mean we were clearing out his shoulders. In case everyone's wondering. All right, teeth together. Andre, can I get a hold for your mom? We're gonna make this a family affair right now. Teeth together. Wow. Look at this. Come get this real quick. Come get this. Pulled her out of her shoes. Look at that. All right, we pulled her out of her shoes right here. Look at that. You ready? We're gonna go ahead and clear out these feet. Why? Because the brain loves getting the feet adjusted. Whew. Not to mention, she's an athlete her whole life.
Yeah, I've actually
And she's a runner?
started a professional dancing team. So my feet are being used.
Woo. Beautiful. I love the frown that came in, and I'm liking seeing the teeth and the way they're smiling right now. 1 to 10. 10's the worst. 1's the best. We're at 8. Where are you at right now?
A 2.
Bam!
Let your body do what it does.